so glad to see you. I have a really big favor to ask you.
Okay.
My ex-fiance is marrying my cousin, and given his family, I am expected to go to the wedding.
Ow.
Will you go with me? I've sworn off love, and I'm not dating anybody, and I just can't bear the idea of going alone.
When is it?
Saturday?
You got yourself a date?
Thank you. Oh, you are the best in my life. Some personal stuff I've been dealing with. Leave your problems at the door. No client wants to hear your tale. And your boss is so overworked I can't.
Hush, dude.
Great.
Hush.
Sorry.
Man, hush, dude.
Did you invoice for the Montgomery job?
Time.
And I'm waiting for them to return my call. And she said that closing this match responses.
Black Knight. Hush, Black Knight.